This is Swahili Talk Radio. Tumekuja leo hapa kwa sababu wametuinvite kuja kufanya interviews. It's a big day. It's a big day for all of us. Wa Afrika wote kwa sababu maendeleo ya Mwafrika mmoja ina affect Mwafrika mwingine.
Hiyo ni kweli.
Daliana, nataka uniambie, tell me what happened. Niambie story ya imekuwa kwaje, umekuwa involved na haya maneno.
Yeah, VAD.
Yeah.
I just got this want to be an actress. I've always had it, so I felt like I needed to do something actually representing Africa in Denmark was coming up, and I'm a dancer.
Yeah.
I'm a dancer, so I was like, this is something I like to do. I like to do something with entertainment. Mm-hmm. So I was like, this is my chance, and they contacted me and told me, you know, we're about to start something. So I was there from the start actually. We're about to start something. So what do you want? You want to come in? I was like, of course, I want to try it. And my first movie was a little hard.
Yeah.
So it was.
You have to start somewhere.
Yeah. The experience was actually big.
Yeah.
So I had to play a mother. I'm a 19-year-old girl. Yeah. So playing a mother was more like, how am I gonna do that?
How am I going to do that?
Exactly.
But you are entertainment.
Yeah.
You are a performer.
Exactly. Yeah.
You love to be in front of camera.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I can see on you and all your fans. They're exciting. They love you. You must touch them somehow.
Well, they say that I have this tendency of just putting myself out there, you know, of just working on it. I do take my work a lot serious, especially the acting part. Yeah. I'm a dancer in all, but also something to do with Africa, but I do take my acting quite serious. Yeah. I take it as something, as a career, you know, something I want to do. Yeah. You know, so these people out there, they like me more because I take every role that comes to me.
Yeah, you live in
the action. Yeah. Whether I'm a mother, of course, I'm not fit to be a mother in the real life, but in a movie, when I have to play being a mother, I try to put myself in the place of a mother. Yeah. So the thing is, I act any role that is given to me, so that makes them more like attracted to the way I act.
Yeah, but why African music? Why African movies? Why do you love African movies?
Because, you know, what movies are interesting, but it's fiction. Yeah. You know, African movies are stories. Yeah. These are people's story. Yeah. Like my movie, If I Knew Me, the one that just came out. Yeah. It's a story that is real life. It's something happening. It's a true story.
It is make you feel more African. Are you missing Africa?
Oh yeah. I do miss Africa a lot, and this makes me feel more African. I am a proud African. Yeah. I like to do things with Africa. Yeah. You know, something that can push Africa up. I'm interested. You know, like there was this performance in Aalborg for Denmark Sing Something, where it's something to do with African people, helping African people, and I want to perform because it is good. It's Africa, you know.
Yeah, you want the African. You want to show you can be a part of it.
Exactly.
But the movies today, it was involved. I'm myself from Tanzania, and I know there was a lady from Tanzania involved about this movie, and then a Tanzanian, and then a Kenyans, Congo. We have a little bit different language in a way, accent. Was it difficult for you guys?
Oh yeah, it is difficult. In fact, very difficult because I speak Congolese, Swahili. Yeah. It's totally something else. But it's just that my group, we have this way of lifting each other up. Yeah. We help each other. You know, when I can't speak it, someone who can will tell me, oh, that's a mistake. You might want to say it this way. Yeah. It sounds more real. Yeah. But then I'm more of an English speaker most of the time, so I'll prefer to use English than speaking Swahili, because when I'm in action, I don't like cut. Yeah. You know, the time when they say cut, I don't like it
because you really do write in the language you feel comfortable.
Because when I am speaking, I try to express myself, and I can't express myself in a language that I'm trying to do. I have to express myself in a language that I understand.
Eliana, if I want to ask you in this show business, film, who is your role model as an actor? Who you look up to? Who you want to become someday?
Me, I don't know if I want to become somebody, because I believe that each and every person has that something that is special.
Individual.
Exactly, it's very individual. You can't get it no matter how hard you try, because every artist has their talent. that
but
is something.
you must have someone inspired you.
Yeah, okay. The first time I got inspired to act was I saw this Nigerian movie first time.
Yeah.
And I was very touched by the story, you know. It was called Super Love, and I was touched because of the expressions of feelings.
Yeah.
And again, I saw this Tanzanian movie, and it is in Swahili, you know. That is more like, this is home.
This is
you know,
home.
This
Comfortable.
is comfortable.
Yeah.
I hear everything. It's very good. So I was inspired to be like Steve Kanumba.
Yeah.
May he rest in peace. It is one guy who push up Swahili movies to the next level. You know, and I think that actually that is an example that every African out there who wants to be an entertainer should take. You know,
this was very nice. It was very nice for me to get a chance to interview you, because I can see this evening there was a lot of people that say, wow, when you get up there and come front to the stage, everyone was exciting. You must touch a lot of hearts. You must touch a lot of these people. You know what? Keep doing what you are doing. I believe on you, and I think you can reach where you want to do. And this is African, and we want to present Africa. I hope for you. I believe on you. I think you're going to do something, especially in this country. But if you have a one sentence and one word that is very strong, you want to tell the African people in Denmark, what will it be?
Well, if I have to say something to African people in Denmark, I would say step up. Come on, do something.
Yeah.
You know, Africa is out there. It's big. Here we are strangers, you know, but do something. Lift us up. Be proud to be who you are. Show that you're African. Don't try to be something you're not. In one sentence, step up.
Thank you very much, Eliana. Well, this is the Swahili Talk Radio, and my name is Rehema Nkalami from Tanzania. Thank you very much.
You're
nice
welcome.
meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. And thank you.
Thank you.